Coming at you today with a quick little install tip video. Recently I installed a shift knob on my car. Ugly little fucking gap from the reverse lockout. It wasn't there before due to the type of shift knob, but since I got this ball on here, you see it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did. I went ahead and got this little adapter off of eBay, link in the description. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do is take this off, put the adapter on, and that should cover it up and make it look a lot cleaner. So as you can see, this is the little adapter. I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, and hopefully this works out. All right, so as y'all can see, I got this on here now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the shift knob back on. All right, got the shift knob on, and you can see I got the adapter on there. It looks a lot better than just with that plastic piece showing. So again, I got this off of eBay. It was like 10 bucks. I'll link it in the description. And yeah, that's the new shift knob. More carbon fiber coming soon.
Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe.